Please do subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for more tutorial videos.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Backbench's Classroom. You have already seen in the title what today's video is about. If you have internet connectivity and unable to connect the internet with your laptop, then this video for you. In my room, a Wi-Fi connection is available here, but as you can see here, no Wi-Fi connectivity icon is present, or I'm unable to connect with my. So if you are facing with the same, then follow the trick or method to solve this issue. Okay, first of all, you have to go to the setting, right click on start menu and click on this settings button. Okay, and after that go to this network and internet option. Now click on advanced network settings, and as you can see, here is the network adapter list. You have to enable both of them one by one. Now let's see, is I'm getting the Wi-Fi or not? Yes, here it is. So guys, that's how you can solve your internet connectivity issues. If it doesn't solve your problem, then simply go to the network reset option and simply click on reset now button to reset your network. Okay, if you have any query related to your network, then please comment us, and don't forget to like this video and please do subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.